This is a quick tip from the University of Kentucky Libraries. If you're just starting a research paper, your first step is to develop your research topic. Start by becoming familiar with the topic you've selected. You can use a subject-specific encyclopedia, such as Gale Virtual Reference Library, to find additional information. An encyclopedia article provides concise background information on your topic. It can help you understand your topic by clarifying definitions, offering historical context, providing additional information you didn't know already, helping you recognize important concepts, pointing out related terms, and it will also reference additional resources that may help clarify the topic you want to address. Taking the time to do a little background research will make your project much easier to complete. As always, anytime you have questions or need more help, remember to ask a librarian.